Seafood boil, no Cam's Kitchen. She's here, Jamaica. So I have to wait till she come back to get Cam's Kitchen. In the plane. Oh, British Airways. But I like when I give them a promotion to promote British Airways. After all, I am British queen, okay? British Airways, I need to book me. I am for doing no ads and no promotion. British Airways, I'm here, I'm no fair. In my mini skirt. Oh, look here, we're pumpkin skirt about. Don't look upon me, no, just look for me. Not up under ya. I'm excited. Thank you. Mommy, I'm coming, mother. Thank you.
Elevate your moments of calm with 876 Cigar. We're more than just a cigar, we're an experience. Smooth, rich, and crafted for relaxation. Find us in the courtyard on Constant Spring Road for grab and go convenience. Get your 876 cigars today and savor the moment. For more details, check out the links and the contacts in the description below to get yours today. We're also available at the Liquor Chamber, Raft Jam Bed and Bath, and much more. So come on, get yours today. 876 Cigars is the baddest thing ever.